Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola One 5G Ace, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings, and of course that was a misclick. Let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find security. Now let's scroll to find encryption and credentials, and as you can see at the very bottom of this list we've got this clear credentials option. So let's tap, and again a misclick, tap on the clear credentials and confirm it with OK. As you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully and immediately actually, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock on set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Motorola One 5G Ace. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.